When something is few and far between, it A, happens once a month, B, doesn't happen very often, or C, happens all the time. If you chose B, you are correct. In this video, we're going to learn the meaning of few and far between and how to use it in everyday conversation. Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Bettina from Esprit English, and I'm an English teacher from America. When something is few and far between, it is uncommon or it doesn't happen very often. For example, imagine you and your friend are talking over coffee. She says, "I was offered a great job at a great company in a big city." You might tell her, "Wow, opportunities like that are few and far between." A sample sentence would be, "After we moved to a small city, our favorite restaurants were few and far between," which means our favorite restaurants were uncommon or they were very far apart from each other. Now, the idiom is few and far between. However, when you say it in regular conversation, the and gets reduced to in. So when you're speaking, it sounds like few and far between, few in, few and far between. In our city, train stations are few and far between. You don't see them very often. Now, are you ready to practice? Okay, the topic is musicians. Create a sentence talking about musicians using few and far between. Please be sure to type your sentence in the comments. I'd love to read what you wrote. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.